Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Caught by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button. Today's episode is all about high-speed police chases where suspects are eventually caught by police. In first video, California patrol officers, after chasing the driver of a white truck along a highway, find a baby in a car seat inside the vehicle.
The driver, who was wanted for a parole violation, and his co-passenger were taken into custody after officers crashed into the truck. Officials say the child did not appear to be injured.
Traffic cops are forced into one of their most dangerous pursuits ever, when three suspects are reported to have stolen a car and pedal cycles after gate crashing an all-night party, traveling at reckless high speeds towards a city center packed with tourists.
In a minute, boss. Wait, handbrake up on this door, boss. Go around it.
Where are you? I've misjudged how fast they've decided to want to go over them speed bumps. That results in them coming head towards me, and it's going to hurt.
Oh, I just missed that. That was close.
I need to go back. Well, this is close. But to them, there was no fear. It was, get out of the way, we're coming through.
Get tight. Yes, received. Get tight, get tight. Speed is 60. Yes, approaching the traffic light junction. Stand by for direction.
With 6 cars in pursuit, the suspect takes even more risks.
It's overtaking vehicles at opposite side of the carriageway.
Ahead, an officer is waiting with a stinger.
What's he throwing out?
Go.
Going bottles on us.
A9 thing just ahead. I'll be there for you.
I've not got him.
If you give them an half an inch, they'll take it, and more.
Get tight. Yes, received. Get tight, get tight. He's pushing the car to the limits, and you can really see on a few of the turns he takes, he's barely in control of the car. There's no deviation, it's straight on. We are still Shipton Road, heading towards York City. Vehicles through on red. Mind the pedal cyclist. Oh, close. Unable to manoeuvre him across due to a cyclist.
The stolen car is minutes from the city centre and reaching speeds of 90 miles an hour.
Poppleton Road, traffic light. Try and cinch up behind us, try and get a box on a suitable point ahead.
To them, it's like a computer game. It's not reality, the risks aren't real. They are a fatality waiting to happen.
This video is short but really intense. It shows teen driver ramming police cars during chase through villages. Dashcam footage shows a dramatic police chase after 4 men who reach up to 150 miles per hour attempting to rob a cash machine. This robbery was failed.
road?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, 72, John Booking Lane, you need to head back down to the 8632 wrong lane, and got some distance away now.
We are Ash over the road, heading into Little North, Stubbing Edge Lane, speed 50 in a 30. The RA is still low, no traffic is wide. Yeah, onto Eastwood Lane.
Let me see if this lane on the primary also.
Crash, crash, crash.
Okay, he's off at speed now, not sure if he's aware that we're behind him.
This video footage shows a dramatic police chase after 4 men attempted to rob a cash machine. The chase was caught on camera by police and a helicopter as the men are seen driving at speeds of about 150 miles per hour on the M42 motorway. The gang had tried to force open a cash machine outside a supermarket but failed. They then sped off empty-handed, taking police from 3 forces on the high-speed chase as they tried to keep up with the men who tear along the road. Unknown to the thieves, though, the police were also tracking them by helicopter. Footage shows the pursuit continuing. Luckily, the car pulls into a road where the men get out and are quickly arrested by officers.
They're parked up, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons at the vehicle.
The men were sentenced to 12 years in jail.
Victor 1-1 over.
Good over.
And with this clip we reach the end of another episode on Caught by Police channel. Make sure to write us your opinion about it down in the comment section below. While being there, please do like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, stay safe.